So for you to do the prediction, that is using machine learning on Jupyter notebook. So whether the rainfall or temperature, the first thing is, you download your data. So I will show you how to download it. So to download your data, just go to this website, power.lac.nasa.gov/data access viewer. Just go to this website. So once you go to this website, it will take you here. So to download it from here, the first thing is you scroll to where Nigeria is. So you zoom in. So now here we are looking at Jigawa. So now, so you can pick, you just pick a particular place in Jigawa. So you go to single point. So single point, from single point you select this community. So you select renewable energy, because this is weather data. So renewable energy, then the temporal level, whether you want it daily, hourly, monthly, annual, but I will go for daily rainfall. So here the latitude and longitude, I'll just come here and click on anywhere on Jigawa. So it will give me the latitude and longitude of Jigawa. So here you can pick the number of days. So here the next thing is you pick your parameters. So next, okay, I will select the community again. So here, that is the renewable energy. Then select the area. Then after that, I will select the month. So here, let me select October 1. So let me just select October 1. So just let me select October 1 to, let's say, October 22. So from October 1 to October 22. So you want to use that to predict for maybe for the next 30 days as well, or maybe for the next 22 days or 21 days. So here under the parameters, you select what you need. So here I will select temperature at 2 meters maximum. So that is what I need. So after that, you go to the format, you select CSV, then you submit. So once you submit, it will download. So after downloading, you go to your downloads. So you can see, so it is here already. So this is the data. So after you've done that, so you are now going to arrange this data in such a way that the machine learning will be able to recognize. So here you have to work on the date format. So after you've done that, you now, so I can, is better you paste it in your Word, you copy it to your document. So under my document, you can see I have the rainfall here and I have the temperature here. So I will separate the two. So this is the rainfall. So you can see the way I arrange it here. So I have to arrange it this way. You can see the way I arrange it here. So here it will be arranged this way. You can see October, that is 1, October 2, October 3, October 4. That is the month, the day, and the year. That is the way the Python environment will understand it. So it should be like this. So the same thing for the temperature. Same thing for the temperature, you can see. So the same thing for the temperature, you arrange it this way. So once you arrange it this way, you can see this is temperature. So this is for, you can see. So you will do the two separately, just like this first one. So after you've done that, you have to download Anaconda. That is the Anaconda contains some Python platforms like RStudio, Spider, Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, and so on. So here, this is the Anaconda. If once you type Anaconda on Google, it will take you there. So once you type, just type Anaconda download. You can see it will take you to the website. So this is it. So Anaconda download. So after you've done that, you downloaded the Anaconda, you have to come to your search bar here and type for Anaconda prompt. So Anaconda prompt. Once you search for your Anaconda prompt, so once you search for your Anaconda prompt, you will now, there is what you call pip install GeoPandas. You can also install everything on your this, so you can, so once you install it, it will show. Once you install it, it will install. So after that, you can now search for your Jupyter notebook. So let's search for Jupyter notebook. Okay, let's search for Jupyter notebook. Let's see. So once you start Jupyter notebook, it will open on your browser. You can see my browser. So here you will now go to where you saved where you want your work to be saved. So here, once I get here, you just go to new. You can see Python 3. So you select this Python 3 IPY kernel. So you select it and it will create a platform. So here I have the weather prediction ready, so I will double click on it. It will take me there. So it will take me there. So here there is a step. So there's a step to that where you can, okay, this is okay. So here you have to come back to the Google Chrome. So once you get there, you can see you have to import the environment that you want to. Matplotlib is for the graphs. This ARIMA model is for the prediction. You can see. So Panda is to bring the data in. You can see. The first thing is to bring your data in, then print data ahead. So that is to show the first column of the data and the last of the data. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the last 5 rows. So after you've done that, you can see import your library, then they load the data set using pandas. Then here, this third one is for converting the dates. That is, you convert it to a data frame. So here you can see convert date column to date time. So if necessary, you can convert the date column to a normal date time that's the software will understand, that the platform will understand. Then you set the date as index. Then after that you now print the data, so you can see the rainfall, so it has changed them. Then after that you plot, that is, you plot the temperature or the rainfall time series. You can see plot figure size. So the ARIMA model, the essence of importing the matplotlib is to plot the graphs. That is the work of the matplotlib, to plot the graph. Then you can see it has plotted the rainfall data. You can see over the years, over the days, that is from the 1st of October to the 19th of October here. So you can see, so you can save it. So here I will save this as the predicted graph. So here the next one is this, is to train test split. So that is then to visualize it, that is before you predict. So here you also have to plot the test train data. You can see train test split for prediction. This is not actually the main prediction data, but it's just to test it. Then you can see the ARIMA model. The ARIMA model is for the prediction. So the ARIMA model for the prediction. So then after that you forecast the data. You forecast, you can see. So after forecasting you plot. After forecasting you plot. So you can see this is the predicted data. You can see the predicted actual versus the predicted plot. So once you do that, you can now also bring them out as values, not as graphs alone. You can see future step. So the number of days, that is the number of future days to predict. Here is 30 days. You can see to forecast model feed, that is the ARIMA model. Then after that, after calculating the future series, the forecast, then you can now print the future prediction. You can see this is the future prediction of the rainfall. You can see. So you can see from that, you can see that the data stopped at 19th of October. So the future prediction started from 20th of October. You can see the rainfall predicted. Then 21 of October, 22 of October, 23. Then it's predicted to 15th of November. It's predicted to 15th of November. Then after that you can now export it out as CSV. So you export using this code as CSV. So it's here. So future prediction. So you can see you export out. You export out as CSV. Then after that you can now plot the future prediction data. You can see the future prediction and this is the historical data, the future. So you can now plot that future predictions. So over the for the next 30 days. So that is how you go about prediction. So if it is for rainfall, if it is for temperature too, under this place, this is where you are going to bring in, you can see c./user/ this. So together you can see rainfall.csv. if it is temperature, we also type temperature.csv. and for me to get this, you right click on your Excel, then you go to properties. You can see, so you go to properties here, copy, then you go to properties and paste it. paste it inside the box here. But one thing you should understand that you can see that this dash is like this dash is like this. So once you copy it, you have to change the dash to conform with the Python environment. Are you getting it? So this is how it should be, and it shouldn't be the other way around. So note that. So that is for weather forecasts.